Hi, today you will learn how to add glitching effect to video in Kdenlive. So for example, I would like to add this video to the timeline, so I go to project bin and I drag and drop this video to the timeline. And now I want to split this video, so for example, I'm going to select the razor tool and for example, I will split it somewhere here. Okay, and now I press escape button and I will add the glitching effect to this part of video. So now if I want to do it, I need to go to FX tab. And here on search field, I need to type glitching. After that, you will see here two options. We are interested in to select glitching rows and color option. So we need to drag and drop this option to the first part of the video. And it has been successfully added here. So I select this video and now we can edit the glitch frequency, block height and adjust shift intensity. We can modify the color glitching intensity. So for example, I will increase the first value to 40%. I will increase the block height maybe to 400. And I'm going to increase the color glitching intensity maybe to 3. So now our effect has been successfully added to this video. So if we will play it, you can see really great glitching effect, yeah? So how you see it really works. If I helped you to add this effect in Kdenlive, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.